This is Insta360 GO 3S, and today I'll show how you can adjust the indicator light brightness on this device. So to start, take the action pad and switch it on. While in the camera preview, swipe downwards from the top edge of the display. Here, look for this little shortcut, tap on it, and now set what brightness you would like for this indicator light to have. High, medium, low, or switched off. So if you switch it off, there will be no LED light here. If I will set it to low, it will be significantly less bright, as you can clearly see. And well, as far as this simple video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.